Introducing the StageBar TRI 12. The ColorKey StageBar TRI 12 is a sleek 50-watt RGB LED bar that uses a dozen red, green, and blue LEDs to produce a wide band of vibrant color washes. StageBar TRI fixtures are ideal for a variety of entertainment lighting applications. They are perfect for uplighting the walls of an event space and are also ideal for providing dynamic colored backlighting for DJ facades and mobile applications. Depending on the chosen DMX channel mode, the LEDs can be controlled as a single light source or broken down into blocks of LEDs to allow the creation of eye-candy chase effects. Ever versatile, our StageBar is supplied with mounting brackets, which allows it to stand directly on the ground or be attached to trussing by adding a clamp. These brackets allow the fixture to be set at any angle and then fastened securely in place using plastic thumb screws. The StageBar TRI 12 offers an assortment of operating modes. In addition to DMX control, static colors can easily be selected from the unit's onboard LED menu display using either pre-programmed macros or full RGB dimming. StageBar TRI 12 is ready for live events with built-in LED chase patterns and a sound-activated sound to dimmer mode. Your lighting will groove and pop when triggered by the beat of music from an internal microphone. The included IR remote can also be used to select specific colors or offer access to the control unit's internal auto programs. The ColorKey StageBar TRI 12 is bound to become your go-to fixture for wall washes, lighting up DJ facades, or crowd blinder thanks to its flexibility and ease of use. Check it out at your local lighting dealer today. For more options, check out the StageBar Hex 12, a powerful 216-watt RGBAW UV LED bar that produces an endless array of smooth, bright color washes. Visit ColorKeyLED.com for more information, and be sure to subscribe to this channel for up-to-date information on new ColorKey product releases.